Wow!
And take two. Guess who's back? It's Teff Jones again. Welcome back again to our new cooking show.
Hold up.
Oh, so the moment of truth.
All right, the moment of truth.
Wow.
Cut!
You do a lot to me, boy. Why can't you see that you do a lot to me, and anything you need, you'll get it from me. Protecting my peace for so long, a little too good, now I'm so low. Watching reruns of the same shows. Almost every party I'm a no-show. Even with green lights I don't go. Never been sure, no I don't know. How does everybody else let go of their egos? Don't go out nearly as much as I should. Barely know the way around my neighborhood. I'm ruminating, I feel no good. Not living life like I know I could. Like I know I could. Like I know I should. Like I know I could. Like I know I could. Like I could. If you would show me, yeah. If you would show me, yeah, yeah. If you would show me, yeah, yeah. I spent so much time daydreaming, so now I don't know how I'm feeling. Don't know who's the real me. Might need more help than I thought I needed. I can see it. Need more healing, more believing, less deceiving. I don't go out nearly as much as I should. Barely know the way around my neighborhood. I'm ruminating, I feel no good. Not living life like I know I could. Like I know I could. Like I know I should. Like I know I could. Like I know I could. Like I could. If you would show me, yeah. If you would show me, yeah, yeah. If you would show me, yeah, yeah. I might need therapy too. Help dilute all the bad news. Cause I just can't deal with the lose-lose situations you have to go through. I think I need therapy now. Recycling all the same doubts. Heard it a million times. Cause I tell myself all the same lies. I might need therapy too. Help dilute all the bad news. Cause I just can't deal with the lose-lose situations you have to go through. I think I need therapy now. Recycling all the same doubts. Heard it a million times. Cause I tell myself all the same lies. Don't go out nearly as much as I should. Barely know the way around my neighborhood. I'm ruminating, I feel no good. Not living life like I know I could. Like I know I could. Like I know I should. Like I know I could. Oh, if you would show me. If you would show me, yeah, yeah. If you would show me, yeah, yeah, yeah.
All right, we're back, and today we have Jones. Can we just agree that Jones has one of the best jobs on the planet? He literally just gets to show up and taste delicious, nutritious food.
You gotta pay the cost to be the boss.
This is a pretty cushy job, I would say. You're very blessed. No, I'm just kidding. He's well deserving. So what we have now is this beautiful Teff cake. You've actually seen an image of it before because you saw Ishay enjoying this whilst we made our sour cream not too long ago. So this is just the Teff cake on its own. You could add a dollop of homemade ice cream. Stay tuned because Jones will be taking you through that whole process. Some homemade cashew sour cream, which you should find on our channel very soon. And for now, it's just the cake solo dolo. So what kind of a cake do we have here? 100% Teff flour. Bam!
100.
Fig cake.
100%
Yeah.
Teff.
Made in a skillet, as you all saw whilst I was making it. Super easy, breezy, lemon breezy.
And can you explain the significance of the figs? Because it's very European to me.
I mean, what else can I say except that it reminds me of my childhood? Because it's
old time America.
Is it?
Yeah,
I can
that's
see
old
that.
time.
Okay. Yeah, I grew up with figs, like figs in their natural form like this, not like a fig Newton, but like figs in their natural form like this is very common in Italia. We eat it sort of towards late end of summer. It goes great even with like bruschetta. If you're changing it up and don't want to do like tomatoes, we make it savory by adding like ricotta cheese, putting it on like some toasted crostini, finish it off with a little bit of honey, and sea salt, and bada bing bada boom. So you can make it sweet and savory. Today I've chosen to make something sweet, but more than sweet, it's also medicinal because this is cake, that is not only gluten-free, made with not like processed flour is gluten-free, but Teff, which is naturally gluten-free. It also is medicinal because we've added sea moss and ashwagandha, bam, right in there. It's pretty impressive. How do you feel about that, Jones?
I feel good because those are good things. Those are good things to have in your body.
They are. The ashwagandha helps with anxiety, helps to calm and soothe you. You've got bladderwrack, seawack, and burdock there, so you have more than 100 minerals, which is all nourishing to the body and to the cells and helps with regeneration of cells and repair, etc. So to sleep, make sure you get to bed on time. But for now, we just want to know what you think of it, medicine and all.
Okay, I love either the end parts, the end bits.
Every day,
You would not believe this is tough. The stuff you make in Jeddah from, you would not believe it. And it's really good. It's moist. And it's like moist and creamy, and you got the figs give it an extra like crunchiness and some sweet, extra sweet stuff in here. Just enjoy this with some boon coffee, some tea, shahi, some milk, almond milk, cashew milk, oat milk, even water.
Mm-hmm.
You have it for a dessert or a breakfast.
Exactly. It's a great treat. It's medicinal.
Love it.
And it really embodies fall because we've got cloves in there and cinnamon and nutmeg. So whilst you're tasting it, it tastes like fall. But also whilst you're making it, there's an aroma that goes through the home, and it's just so nourishing and comforting and cozy. So if you're interested in these recipes and want more, please stay tuned to our channels. Please like, subscribe, share. And also, if you're needing some advice, I do some great consultations online for ways to cook at home for you and your family in order to stay healthy, to stay youthful and energized. So please reach out to me at alkaliyogi.com. If you're needing help, even just going to the grocers, you're not sure how to shop, I also offer this as a service. We can go to the grocers together. It's part of my holistic lifestyle coaching. So whatever you need, pantry cleanse, shopping, cooking, I've got you. I'm a licensed health and wellness professional, so please tap into that.
Tap in.
Tap in. All right, guys, I've been in the DMV too long. Time to sign off now. See you soon.
Peace.
Bye.
When I'm feeling